Yo,
what's up? How are you doing, guys? I hope that you are doing well. And then I think that now it's starts sunny. It's not like raining like last time.
Yeah, it's not rainy, so we decided to go to Uluwatu, to one of my favorite beaches in full entire Bali, which is the Melasti beach. I know I've been here many times because it's my favorite beach in Bali. So first of all, I just want to say it's quite busy here. There is the big parking area, and
It's a crowd.
Yeah, it's so many cars and people around. Check this out. Low tide today, and at the front there is the new beach club called Catamaran, yeah, something like that. I think I talked about this last time. And yeah, it's like 4:30 p.m. and people coming and coming, making pictures, chilling, enjoying. We're gonna showing you around today, just chilling by the beach, not on the beach, but by the beach. Yes, honey?
Yeah.
What are you looking for?
No, it's just like this one. The old beach club is called Mino Beach Club.
Which
and then
one,
the
this
brand
one?
new one that's with the,
The ship? Oh,
yeah.
alright.
And this one, the brand new one. Now seems like Melasti Beach is the most hyped beach in Bali. So maybe long time ago it was Pandawa, and then now I think they are just prefer to go here because in this beach there are, I think 1, 2, and 3 and 4 beach club overviewing the ocean.
And also somewhere here, right now, there is the Kechak dance. Same like in Uluwatu temple long time ago, but also here right now they're selling. Actually, we don't know exactly where, but it is. If you're interested about watching full entire Kechak dance on my channel, I also make the video long time ago from Uluwatu temple. Highly recommend it if you're interested. As you see from the cars and registration, they are still tourists from different islands of Indonesia, obviously. I think up to 10 of January will be still a lot of people because of
the holiday season, New Year season. Yeah, I think that for those local domestic tourists who bring their own cars or transport, I think that they will just stay or leave Bali around after 10 or something like January.
As I said, they're selling here Kechak dance ticket 150. Promo was 175, 150 now. Here on this beach, this is actually quite rare, but here are the showers, so you can wash yourself. There is another beach clubs called Palmila, and crowd on the beach, yeah, I could say, kinda busy. Maybe not as busy as during the season, like holiday season when was the New Year and the Christmas, but definitely still kinda busy.
Just like behind me, I think that this beach is really hype nowadays. You know, if we compare with the Kuta or Lagian beach or something like that. But this beach, look, I don't know what to say. Even like this is already, you know, after New Year's, but still people, you know, like going to this beach.
And well, exactly here is the this beach club, and seems like here already the construction, what I also mentioned many times, is already quite advanced. They're already building something. So
if we compare also with the famous tourist destination just like Ubud, or you know, like regarding to the culture, something like that, but this beach, I can say, is more busier than the, what is it called, the Ubud traditional market.
Yeah, definitely. And
or
also
other, like, you know, cultural and historical place, something like that.
Yeah, but I think like some people also comment also as the beach will just attract more people than cultural. Anyway, we talk about that in the past 2021 all the time, right? Anyway, also we talk, I talk especially when I was on this beach, as this beach is becoming into the so many beach clubs around. And here you go, this is the another one. Long time ago I was upstairs showing you fundaments only, now it's already like, yeah.
I don't know, maybe in 2023 it will be already.
I think it's gonna be finished in this year.
Let's see.
Let's see, yeah, but yeah, it's something is happening here, definitely, for sure. Anyway, look at these happy kids here. This is something like a natural swimming pool. You don't need to have a villa to having a fun. I mean, villa with the pool, because this one is really nice. And check this out. The water here is actually very clean. It's not like in Canggu or Seminyak even. It's really nice, clean clean water. I don't see much plastic here. Can you see so much plastic here? No.
So yeah, if I can compare like last time when Damian was in Seminyak and also when we were in Jimbaran, right?
Yeah.
Here in Pantai Melasti, well, I can say that the sand is, the texture of the sand, if I can show you, the texture of the sand is very soft. Like this, very soft and also clean. So yeah, no wonder why so many people are going here.
Anyway, long time ago, like when everything was normal and also before we start doing the YouTube channel, obviously, we used to come in here quite often, like sometimes even twice a week, just for chill, enjoying the breeze and everything. But well, since we are doing the videos every single day, we're trying to show you something different every single day. I think if I'm gonna show you this place 2 times a week will be too much. Even it's beautiful, I believe. A little bit too much maybe. So we need to showing you something. But anyway, I hope so you enjoy. Pretty nice place.
Well, basically that we show something that we also enjoy.
Oh,
you know?
exactly. Last time somebody commented, guys, Damian, you should showing and do on YouTube what you enjoy the most, because this is the most important thing, and that's true. That's why if I like this one, I'm showing you this one, and I hope so you're enjoying with me.
Okay, so just right behind me, even this small local warung, nowadays they turn the style into the more like, you know, I mean, like the style of the music style, more is the just like the beach club with the boom boom music, like with big loud music.
I just really would like to notice one more time how this beach is simply clean, no matter where you go, what you step. Sand is beautiful, clean, and water is free of plastic, and also there is no big amount of the mountain of rubbish like in Petit Tengah last time.
So yeah, I'm so happy that I can walk barefoot. You know, it's so clean water, no rubbish, and yeah, blue, very nice. And then it's not that hot and it's also not that cold water.
They are also pretty nice, the rocks and the cliff looks like this. Heading now into the another beach club, which is called Karma. Kandara was closed last time, actually get burned off to the ground. Let's see how is it now. So basically behind me is the Karma Kandara beach club, and well, still is burned off. They didn't start rebuilding anything. The only difference is on the other side of the cliff there are sunbeds and there are people chilling over there, probably because they stay upstairs in the hotel, but the club itself is still burnt off. There is only fence, that's the only difference. So yeah, that's how it is. Honey, let's go.
Okay guys, I think that's all our video today from what is it called, Melasti Beach, and behind me the Karma Kandara seems like busy. Okay, I think that's all our video today. Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow.
See ya guys,
Bye.
see you tomorrow.